Butter chicken is one of the most popular curries in the world and yet happens to be one of the easiest.
Hi guys, today we're cooking a famous butter chicken dish. I love it with my whole heart. Every time I go to Indian restaurant, I always order it. And I'm very glad to share with you this recipe, especially because I learned how to cook it with a professional Indian chef cook. Let's do it!
For this recipe, we will need 2 chicken breasts and many spices. The Indians love spices and they use it a lot. Cut chicken breasts into cubes. Cubes shouldn't be too small, something like this. Then let's make ginger garlic paste. It is used in traditional Indian recipes for a smooth texture. Grate ginger and garlic. Add some olive oil and salt and mix everything well. Now ginger garlic paste is ready. And these ingredients we will need to marinate the chicken. Mix all the ingredients well and add chicken to this marinade. Cover it with cling film and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. And now let's make a famous gravy sauce. For this we will need, of course, tomatoes. So cut them into cubes because later we will add them into the frying pan. Add some oil and butter to a frying pan and add all the spices. You can thank me later for how delicious your kitchen is smelling. Cut 2 red onions and add them to the pan. Add some garlic ginger paste. And add tomatoes. They add substance and acidity to our sauce. Cashew nuts is a little secret for a creamy gravy. They give a wonderful sweetness and lushness to the dish. So if you don't have a nut allergy, put them in. And cook for about 15 minutes, because cashews need to become soft, otherwise we won't get that silky smooth sauce. So take your time. Finally, add some salt and sugar to balance the acidity. And scoop mixture into a blender and blend until it's smooth. And you will need to add some water to help it blend. For an extra velvety smooth sauce, I'm gonna pass the sauce through a food strainer. And pour the sauce back into the pan. Add more butter for an extra creamy touch, because it is butter chicken after all, right? When your chicken is done marinating, you'll need to cook it. So I'm putting it on the foil, and you will need to spread it nicely. I'm gonna cook it under the broiler to get a little bit of that fiery taste. And this is the perfect chicken that we are going to add to our gravy sauce. And this is it. You may serve butter chicken with some rice, some garlic naan and culture.
And this is it! We've just cooked with you amazing butter chicken dish. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me your precious likes. And see you in my next videos.